Okay, see the next problem. If f is a function from a real number to real number, be given by f of x equal to 3 minus x cube all to the power 1 by 3, then f composition f of x is. Now to find that f composition f of x, have to find out. So this is nothing but f of x. This is a composite function. Now right here only f of, what is the f of x value? F of x value is nothing but what? 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. Yes. Now replace f of this whole quantity will be replaced by t, where t equal to 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. Now, what is the f of t? F of t is nothing but f of x value only. In place of x, what? T. Means in the given function, wherever x is there, have to replace by t. Now, if you replace by t, what will get? 3 minus t cube whole to the power 1 by 3. Now, wherever it is, I have to substitute this one 3 as it is. Okay, minus, what is the value of t? This whole quantity. So 3 minus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. These are t value, and t to the power 3 is 0. So again I have to put the power 3. Okay, and now t value is over, and this whole quantity is again, what is the power? It is 1 by 3. Okay, now 3 minus, now this 3 is applicable, this whatever the inside square bracket, this entire quantity is applicable. Now 1 by 3 and 3 means this get cancelled. What was the remaining value? Here 3 minus 3 minus into minus plus x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. Here minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. Here x cube whole to the power 1 by 3. Now 3 also get cancelled. What is the answer? X. So therefore f composition f of x, what is the value? X. What is the answer? Option C. Please note down. I'm moving to the next slide. See this problem. Consider f is a function from r plus to minus infinity to infinity. Here r plus means all positive real number to close interval minus 5 to infinity. Given by f of x equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Show that f is invertible with f inverse of y equal to, what is f inverse of y? Y square root under y plus 6 minus 1 divided by all divided by 3. This is nothing but g of y. Don't get confused, because f inverse is nothing but what? G. Now to show that is an invertible function means how to prove that g composition of f equal to x and f composition of g of y equal to y. How to prove this one means, write down. We need to prove that g composition of f of x equal to x and f composition of g of y equal to y. I have to prove this one. First, I will prove the first one. G composition f of x. Okay. Now g composition of x means g of f of x. Now g of, what is the f of x value? Here only 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Now this can be written as g of, all right, t. Okay, where t equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Now what is the g of t? G of t is nothing but g of y value. In place of y, it is a t. So this can be written as root of t plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Now what is the t value? Here only 9x square plus 6x minus 5 plus 6, and this minus 1 as it is divided by 3. Now this can be written as 9x square as it is plus 6x minus 5 plus 6. What is the value? Plus 1, minus 1 outside is as it is divided by 3. Now, so 9x square plus 3x, 6x plus 1 can be written as 3x plus 1 whole square. Can I write? Now, what about this one? A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square means 9x square plus b square means 1 plus 2ab means you get this one minus 1 as it is divided by 3. And this one square and square root get cancelled. We'll get the 3x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 3. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. 3x by 3. 3 get cancelled. What is the answer? X. Yes. Now we proved this one. Next we have to prove this one. F composition g of y. Now f of g of y. Now you can write here f comma g of y. Now f of what is the g of y value? G of y value is here only root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Now already I told that this can be replaced with this entire value will be replaced by p, where p equal to root y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Means this entire quantity will be replaced by p. What is the f of p? F of p is nothing but f of x value. In place of x, it is p. Now this can be written as 9p square plus 6p minus 5. Okay. Now 9 p square. What is the p value? Root of y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3 whole square plus 6p. 6, what is the p value? Root y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 5 is the answer. Next, now what is this one? 9. Here, what about the denominator is 3 square means 9. Here, y plus 6 plus b square means plus 1 minus 2ab means minus 2 times y plus 6. Next here plus 6 root of y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 minus 5 here. So this 9 get cancelled. Here are 3 one time, here 3 2 times. Here 2 root of y plus 6, here minus. This term get cancelled. What is the remaining here? Y 6 plus 1, 7. Next here 2 is applicable to the minus 1 also. So minus 2, so minus 5. So y plus 7 minus 2, this entire term get cancelled. We'll get y. So therefore, what is the conclusion? This one also proved. Therefore, f is invertible or inverse. F is invertible function. So in the sometime f inverse of g or f inverse of y is not given means have to find out yourself. How to find this one? F of x equal to y. Similar method we have done in the previous lecturing. Please go through that one. Okay, move to the next slide. Now we'll come to the binary operation. What do you mean by binary? In general, binary means 2 elements. In the computer language, normally we call it as a binary means 0 and 1. But in the mathematics, binary means 2 element. We're taking the operation, you get the result is only 1 element. So What is a binary operation? A binary operation star and the set A is a function. What is your star? Star is a binary operation, means any operation, maybe addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or any other. Okay, it's based on the problem. While solving the example, I'll explain briefly. Now, in the binary operation, star is a binary operation. Here, A cross A implies A. We denote that A star A comma B by A star B. Means what is the binary operation? Means a binary operation star on set A is a function from A cross A to A. Means A cross A means what? Two elements are taken that. A cross A have to observe that here. A cross A. Why it is a binary? Binary means two element. Means two elements or two numbers. Okay, two elements are two numbers, and operating the with binary sum relation means some operation will get the output is only one value. We call it as a binary operation. Means how to read in the binary definition? A binary operation star on a set A is a function defined from A cross A to A. We denoted by star, or we denote star A comma B by A star B. I'll give the example. Okay. Now verify that natural number is a binary operation or not. Okay, verify natural numbers n is binary operation on addition. Now we're going to check that verify the natural number n is a binary operation on addition. Means have to take the addition. Now what is here? A star B. A star B equal to A star B. Now what is your A star B means? A star means what is your star operation? Nothing but addition here. A plus B equal, sorry, A plus B equal to, here A star B equal to A plus B. Okay, A plus B means now I have to take any two element. For example, I'll take that 2 star 5. 2 star 5 means what is the answer? 2 plus 5. What is the answer? 2 plus 5 is nothing but 7. 7 is a binary, 7 is belongs to natural number or not? Yes. So first element and second element and output answer. Everything in the coming the same set. Why? Because how to see the definition of the binary. A cross A, again A means each and everything coming from the set A. Now same that having checking that verify natural numbers n is binary operation on subtraction, multiplication, and division. I'm going to do the check the all the value. Okay. Now verify the natural number is a binary operation, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First, I'll take that A star B. A star B could already the subtraction means already as A minus B. Now I'll take the A value is 2 star, B value is 3. Now what about this one? 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 means what is the answer? Minus 1. Minus 1 is belongs to natural number. No. Therefore, what is that your conclusion here? Star is not binary operation. Star is not binary operation on subtraction. After that one, therefore, star is not binary operation on addition of natural numbers. In natural number you can write. Okay. Next, I'll take the multiplication. If you multiply the any two number, again we'll get the multiplication is a natural number or not? Yes. Means A star B equal to AB, because multiplication means product it is. Now we'll take the A value some natural number and B as a natural number. Multiplication of two natural number again is a natural number, so it is belongs to very clearly n. Therefore star is a binary operation on n under the multiplication. Next, how to go for the division? How to take the division? Division means A star B equal to A by B. Now I'll take this one. 2 star 4 I'll take. What is the here? 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is belongs to natural number. No, because you get the point value. Natural number means 1, 2, 3. So therefore, division is not a binary operation on the set n. In case, in place of natural number, they are given in the real number, it will be satisfied the all the condition. It is a binary operation, the division, multiplication, subtraction, and addition. Each and everything can verify that. Okay, I move to the next slide. So that subtraction and division are not a binary operation on n. Already I proved that. I'm going to prove once again. Show that subtraction and division are not a binary operation. So binary operation definition, what is that? A star B. First one I'll take the subtraction means A minus B. Now I'll take the A value is 2 star B value is I'll take 10. You can take any natural number. Now 2 minus 10. What is the answer? Minus 8. Minus 8 does not belongs to n. Therefore, subtraction is not binary operation on n. Yes. Next, we'll check the division. A star B. A star B equal to A by B, I'll write. Now I'll try to write as A value is 3 star, B will write the 20. Okay, you can write. Now what about this one? 3 by 20. 3 by 20 also does not belongs to natural number. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Division is not binary operation on n. In case, in place of natural number, they have given in the would have been given in the real number, then it is a binary operation. Why? Because all the values it belongs to real number. So in place of n, they given the real number means definitely it is a binary operation. So it is always depend on the operation and which set. Okay, move to the next slide. Next, we are going to study some properties on binary operation. First property, commutative property. What is a commutative? A star B equal to B star A. What it means? Commutative property means A star B equal to B star A. For example, A star B defined as A plus B. Then what about this one? B plus A. Otherwise, you can take the second one. 3AB. Here, what about this one? 3BA. It will change that. Position will be changed. Operation will be same. Next, second one is associative. What is associative? A star B star C equal to A star B star C. First, you're taking the here A star B star C. Now I'll put the first two bracket here. Now here also write A star B star C. Now I'll put the bracket in the second quantity, means the last two terms. So our answer will be same. What is the identity function? A star A equal to A Again, A star A, again value it will be A only, it will be same value. So this property we call as the identity function. And what about the inverse? A star B equal to E and B star A. What is your B? Here B is nothing but the inverse. You can write this method R or A star A inverse equal to A inverse star A equal to E. So this is a inverse function. So just have to keep in your mind. Maybe in the examination they will ask the given binary operation, verify commutative, associative, identity, inverse, or how to verify the binary operation. These type of question they will ask in the examination. So have to remember. Okay, I'm going to the next slide. Okay, now we came to exercise, last exercise I think. Determine whether or not each of the definition of star given below gives a binary operation. In the event that star is not a binary operation, give justification for this. Okay. First one is okay. Z plus a star is defined by A star B and A minus B. First one have to see, have to verify that the given operation are binary operation or not. First one is A star B equal to A minus B on Z plus. Z plus means what? All the positive integers. Now I'll take the A value is 2 star, B will take 4. Okay. Now what is the A value? 2 and B value is 4. What is the answer? Minus 2. Minus 2 does not belongs to Z plus. Why? Because it is a not positive integer. Therefore, star is not binary operation. Star is not binary operation. Why it is not binary operation means each and every element will taken from the Z plus, but final answer didn't get the in Z plus. Therefore, star is not a binary operation. See the second one, A star B, A star B equal to AB, second one, and again it is a Z plus and defined on Z plus. Now I'll take any two number, their product is positive or not? Yes. I'll take the any number 2 star 4. I'll say take some example. What would this one? 2 into 4. What is the answer? 8. Is 8 is belongs to integer or not? Positive integer. Yes, when multiplied to the two positive number, always the will get the positive number. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Next, third one. What is the third one? Real number. A star B equal to AB square on R. Now we can take the two numbers. A 2 star 4 will take. We can take any other number also fine. And keep on taking the 2 and 4. It's no problem. Now A value is 2. And what is the B value? 4 square. What is the 4 square means? 16. 16 to 2 means what? Yes, 32. 32 is belongs to real number or not? Yes. Yes. So I get the 32 is belongs to real number. Therefore, star is a binary operation. Okay. Fourth one, A star B equal to mod of A minus B on Z plus. Now I'll take the same example in the first one only. I'll take 2 star 4 equal to mod of 2 minus 4. This implies minus 2. minus 2 means modulus is there, again it is 2. It belongs to Z plus. So therefore star is a binary operation. But what about in the first one? It is not binary operation. Fourth one is a binary operation because of that modulus. Modulus means absolute value means negative value becomes positive. Okay. Next, fifth one, A star B equal to A. Now I'll take the on Z plus 2 star 4. 2 star 4 equal to what? 2 1. Look into this binary relation, means binary function. So 2 is belongs to Z plus. Therefore, again it is also binary operation. It is a binary operation, can write. It is a binary operation. Similarly, here also it is a means star. Which can write star is a binary operation. Okay. Please note down. I move to the next slide. For each operation star defined below, determine whether star is binary, commutative, and associative. So to verify that commutative and associative property, first one, A star B equal to A minus B on Z. Okay. What is a commutative property? Commutative is A star B equal to B star A. According to this property, what about this one? A star B means A minus B. And what about here? B minus A. Now let A minus B as it is. What is the B minus means? I'll take minus is common. Then A minus B. Here positive quantity and here negative quantity. Both are same, not equal. So therefore, what is the conclusion here? Star is not commutative. This is a binary operation. Sorry, commutative condition. Next, how to check the associative. What is the associative condition? A star B star C. First, we can write like this: A star B star C. First, we'll put the bracket here. First two values, here last two values. A star B means A minus B star C. Here A star. What is the B star C means? B minus C. Now I'll continue here. What is this one? Now after that, this can be written as A minus B minus C. What about here? A minus B minus C. Here A minus B minus C. Here A minus B minus 1 plus C. Which other term get cancelled? Plus A get cancelled. Minus B get cancelled. Minus C equal to plus C. Minus C and plus C both are same, not equal. Therefore, star means it is now second one only. It is mentioned that here. Therefore, in the first problem, therefore, star is not commutative, sorry, not associative. Associative. Okay. Next, second problem. Now to say, second one is A star B equal to AB plus 1 and on Q. Now you can take the any rational number. Now I have to see this one. First one is commutative. Commutative means A star B equal to B star A. This is a commutative property. A star B means AB plus 1. Here BA plus 1. Yes. Here AB plus 1. Here BA is nothing but AB. Both are same. So therefore, what is the conclusion here? Star is commutative. Star is commutative. Okay. Next, associative. A star B star C. Here A star B star C. I'll put the first two bracket here, last two brackets. What is the A star B means? AB plus 1 star C. Here A star, what would here? BC plus 1. Now AB plus 1, this entire quantity contains only one quantity, star C. In place, this entire place nothing but A only, here only. Okay. A means AB plus 1. This 2 multiply plus 1. Here also you have to multiply these two and plus 1. Means AB plus 1 into C plus 1. Okay. Next, this entire quantity have to multiply and plus 1 here also. A BC plus 1 plus 1. Now to multiply this 1, ABC plus C plus 1. Here ABC plus A plus 1. So plus 1 both are get cancelled. ABC get cancelled. What equal to C equal to A? C and A both are equal, not equal. So therefore, here star is not associative. You can write on here. Therefore, star is not a associative. Okay. Thank you. We'll continue in the next class.